Welcome back, dear friends, to PepTalk SelfTalk. Today, we embark on a profound journey of self-discovery as we explore the theme of connecting with your inner wisdom. Deep within each of us lies a wellspring of knowledge and guidance, and in this episode, we'll learn how to tap into that inner wisdom to find the answers we seek. So, let's dive in and connect with the very essence of our being. 1. The stillness within. In the hustle and bustle of life, we often forget to pause and listen to ourselves. But within the chaos, there exists a serene stillness, a place where our inner wisdom resides. Take a moment to close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let go of all the noise around you. Embrace the silence and feel the connection with your inner self. 2. Trusting your intuition. Intuition is a powerful gift we all possess. It's that subtle nudge, that gut feeling guiding us in the right direction. Start to trust your intuition more. When faced with decisions, pause and listen to that inner voice. Your intuition is a compass that can lead you towards a more fulfilling and authentic life. 3. Journaling your thoughts. Journaling is a fantastic way to connect with your inner wisdom. Grab a pen and paper, and let your thoughts flow freely. Write down your dreams, desires, fears, and aspirations. Journaling allows you to explore your inner landscape and gain insights that may have been buried deep within your subconscious. 4. Meditation for inner clarity. Meditation is a gateway to unlocking your inner wisdom. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. As thoughts arise, observe them without judgment, and gently bring your attention back to your breath. In this stillness, you'll find clarity and a deeper connection to your intuition. 5. Embracing self-reflection. Self-reflection is the mirror to our souls. Take time regularly to look back on your experiences, both positive and challenging. What lessons have you learned? What patterns do you notice? Self-reflection helps us learn from our past and make wiser choices in the future. 6. Nurturing self-compassion. Connecting with your inner wisdom also means embracing self-compassion. Be gentle with yourself when facing uncertainty or mistakes. Remember that you are human, and it's okay to be imperfect. Treat yourself with the same love and understanding you would offer to a dear friend. As we conclude this transformative episode, I encourage you to make time for yourself each day. Embrace the practices of stillness, meditation, journaling, and self-reflection. By doing so, you'll strengthen your connection with your inner wisdom and uncover the beauty that lies within you. If you resonated with today's message, don't forget to like and share this video. Together, let's spread the wisdom of self-discovery and inner connection. Remember, within you, there is a well of knowledge and guidance, waiting to be tapped. You are wise, you are capable, and you are meant for greatness. This is PepTalk SelfTalk, signing off.